I'm Tucker, and this is Breezy. Join us as we travel across the country in my homemade camper. That was a sketchy drive, like 4-hour drive at night in the rain, down these crazy back roads, middle of nowhere, no lights on the side of the road. I definitely won't be doing that again, but the place looks awesome. It's like a wildlife management area, basically like a hunting property. Just beautiful 1,000 acres of woods, and then backs right up to a little river right behind the truck. There's absolutely no one here. It's very quiet. It's like lightly raining, so I'm gonna just eat some food and try to get some sleep because I have a lot of traveling over the next 2 days. I'm gonna go from Tallahassee to like the Pensacola area, and then Pensacola to New Orleans, and I think total that's like 16 hours of driving or something like that. So wish me luck. Here we go. No fear at all. That's a big doe. Well, there goes the deer. This little 20-pound animal thinks that it can take down a 100-pound deer. Get over here! Man, what a beautiful spot. This place is amazing. I drove down this dirt road for like 5-10 miles at night in the rain, and I had no idea really what I was gonna get to. Even at night, you know, I could tell there's water here, but it was just raining, so I went straight to bed and woke up, and it's just this beautiful calm river with like a little morning mist on top of the water. It's so still, you can perfectly see the reflection of the trees and the sun on the water, and there's just every couple minutes a big bass will jump up out of the water. I really wish I had a fishing pole. There is absolutely no one around me anywhere. It's so quiet. All you hear are birds and just the sounds of the forest, the sound of the river running by. If you follow this river down here, maybe another like 5 miles, it leads out into the Gulf of Mexico. So this is just some giant estuary. It's a wildlife management area, so there's no development anywhere. It's probably tens of thousands of acres of just beautiful untouched wilderness. Driving out of this place that I stayed last night, you can tell it's just nothing but dirt road, forest on both sides, just a whole bunch of nothing. Yeah, that's just exactly what I was hoping for this trip. Find places like that out in the middle of nowhere, completely isolated, out in nature, camping for free. Luckily I've been 2 for 2, so let's keep the streak rolling. Hopefully I can do that the whole way across the country. That'll be a great trip. All right, had a great time exploring New Orleans. Now we're gonna go take this thing for a spin. Check this out. All right, that was awesome. I was traveling alone, so the guy had me sitting right in the captain's chair next to him. We were just tail sliding, whipping that thing through all the different little bayous. We probably saw 4 or 5 alligators, and the weather is just awesome for middle of February. Man, we had such a good time. I think I'm going to get ready, get packed up, hit the road, try to drive for like 2 or 3 hours and find a cool place to camp tonight, and then off to meet April tomorrow. She gets to Houston at about 1 o'clock, so I'll see you soon, babe.